Alright guys, welcome back to the another video. In this video I'm going to use Ames stereo pipeline to process the Sport 5 satellite imagery to generate the DAM. So if you are looking for the GitHub repo containing all the code related to stereo pipeline, so this is the correct repo. I'll also provide the repo link in the video description as well. And first of all, in this particular video I'm going to install this software, and then after that I'm going to process the Sport 5 satellite imagery and then generate the DAM, and then also I might need to do the auto rectification to the image as well. So let's get started. Alright, so the installation process is discussed over here. So if you are in Linux or Mac OS, it's quite simple. So you just need to go to the release page and then simply extract the actual zip file, tar file, and then you also need to export that to your path. ASP actually does not offer the Windows binary, but of course you can run the program using Windows subsystem for Linux or WSL. So that's what I'm going to show you right here. So as I have seen, most of the people are Windows user, is me, like me. So yeah, I'm going to show you how to do that using Windows. So let's get started. All right, so first thing first, so first of all I need to go to the release page, and then of course I can check for the latest version ASP 3.4.0. Of course feel free to check any other version as well, and then I'm going to download the Linux file, so the first option. Okay, so yeah, it's downloading right here. All right, now in order to install this you need to open the command prompt and then install the WSL. If you don't know about WSL, it's the simple Windows subsystem for Linux, where you can enter your Ubuntu command line in the Windows command prompt. So simply in order to install it, simply write WSL install dash dash install. So since I already installed, so I don't need to do that anymore. And then now I want to change the directory, do downloads, and then here, and then I want to launch the WSL simply by writing WSL. And after installing WSL you might need to restart your computer in order to run this, since I already installed it quite long time ago, so I just launched the WSL. So right now I'm inside downloads folder, as you can see it right here, and then now I need to extract this file. So simply I'll copy this code and then paste it over here, and then remove this help and then run it. So now it's extracting our file, and then you can see the other folder over here, right? So these are the execution file generated from this ASP program. All right, now the extraction is successful, so you can see the program over here. So now if you want to change the file name, so you can change it like this. So stereo pipeline 340, and then cut this or the copy this from here. Okay, copy this and then put this folder inside your installation directory wherever you want to install. Generally what I found after testing with the software is, if you have the spaces in the file path, then there is high chance this program might generate an error. So that's why I simply move this folder inside here in the program data directory. You can see it, stereo pipeline 330, it's the 3.3 version. Of course you can similarly you can put the file folder over here. And then the another step is to like, in order to permanently install the software, so as mentioned here, so you need to edit the bash rc file and then export and add your path to the bash rc file. So I'm going to do this thing right now. So in order to do that, so you can use a vi editor or nano editor, whatever you have, or simply go to that path and then manually update your file, so bash rc. And now in order to like add it to the path, so you need to write export path equal to path, and then of course your path, my path is mnt, which is mounted drive, and then c program data, and then stereo pipeline slash bin. Don't forget to redirect your path to the bin folder. And then if you are done with this, then wq to quit it. And now you will be able to like run the actual program command from asp. But the thing is, like, if you update the bash rc file, so now you won't be able to run the command line over here. So for that, you need to close the command prompt one more time, and then now type the WSL again, and then now you can test it like bundle adjust, right? So now this command is available right here. So yeah, similarly all the like command from asp are now available. We did the installation quite successfully. So yeah, it's very easy, simply the two-step approach. And I hope you enjoyed this video. In the next video, I'm going to pre-process the sport 5's imagery, and then create the DEM digital elevation model using stereo processing. So yeah, I hope you like it. If you enjoy it, hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you for watching.